Okay, my friends, welcome back. We're going to take a look at this next point, which is 7 comma 5. X is 7, y is 5, so we're plugging in our 7 for x and our 5 for y. When we go to the calculator, we have 0.25 times 7 plus 0.75 times 5, which gets us $5.50, which is not greater than or equal to 6, so that will not work. So let's try our last option, which is 0, 8 when x is 0 and y is 8. 0.25 times 0 plus 0.75 times 8 gets us 6. So since we have the or equal to, this one will work. So those are the 3 points, the purple, the light blue, and the yellow, that are solutions to this inequality. So make sure you got all that down, all 3 selected, and then you can go to the next slide. This is a synthesis. So how can you tell if a point is a solution to a 2-variable inequality? So based on what we've talked about in this lesson, what are some tips that let us know based on using a graph, using an equation, or using a diagram bracelet equation, diagram for the bracelets? So just pause the video and do a little reflection here about what are some tips that we learned throughout this lesson that would let us know whether a point is a solution or not. Finally, on slide 13, it says the graph shows some solutions for 2x plus y is less than or equal to 10. Which of these points are also a solution? So 6, 0 would be x is 6, y is 0, right down here on the x-axis. And 3, 3 would be right here. And we're going to check these 2 points. So looking at the graph, it looks like they might both be solutions. They look like they're in the solution area, but let's double check. So we have 2x plus y less than or equal to 10. For the first one, which is 6, 0, our x is 6 and our y is 0. So we have 2 times 6 plus 0 less than or equal to 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 0 is just 12. And 12 is not less than or equal to 10. So this one actually does not work. The yellow one does not work. Let's look at 3, 3, which tells us that x is 3 and y is 3. So we have 2 times 3 plus 3. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, and 9 is less than or equal to 10. So this solution will work, and you can show your work on the right or explain your thinking of how we know that that blue one will be a solution. And that's the last slide. Make sure you're doing the reflection slide, checking in on how you're feeling about this lesson as we talk about 2-variable inequalities. If you have any questions or need any support, as always, reach out to me and let me know how I can help you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the practice for this 2.13 lesson on the next assignment. Bye, everyone.